In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art with a torus curve spiral. If you're going to render this image, please use a scaled UV sphere with a dark material as the scene's background. Speaking of UV sphere, I noticed I get an odd visual bug when I'm using a humongous UV sphere in the scene. I've never seen a visual bug like this. If this issue occurs on your Blender, please ignore it. I have confirmed the rendered image didn't have any issues. I'll hide the sphere for now. Let's create a torus curve spiral. If you don't see this item in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's create an interesting curve shape by modifying the spiral settings. That looks interesting. The idea is to bevel this curve, array it, and convert to mesh. After that, we'll random transform all available curve meshes in the scene to create the abstract art I've shown you earlier. The array should be on the z-axis. Let's bevel the curve. I'll use the usual random color material nodes. Please use Eevee with bloom. Next, we must convert the curves to meshes, separate them by loose parts, and move its origin to the geometry. In edit mode, type A to select all, P to separate by loose parts. In object mode, move their origins to the geometry and type M to put the separated meshes into a collection. Let's randomly transform the meshes. This is how we create an abstract light art with Blender. We can select all, and type S and Z to scale them on the Z-axis like this. Do you remember this sphere with a visual issue I've shown you in the beginning? The background sphere is not showing anything even when the objects are emitting lights on their own inside. When that issue occurs, please change the render preview mode to something else, and come back to the previous one. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.